Today I'm making toilet bombs. These are a toilet bowl cleaner. You just drop it in the bowl, it bubbles and fizzes up, and you let it sit for a little bit, then swish, 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 and these clean amazingly well. Just a few ingredients. We've got a cup of baking soda, a quarter cup of citric acid, a tablespoon of dish soap, and here I'm using the On Guard cleaner, and then essential oils, about 30 drops, and here I'm using a bow. This is a blend that's been tested to kill bacteria, so I like to use this in cleaning products. And then you'll need, I'm using this silicone tray. It's for making chocolates, but these are the perfect size for the toilet bombs. So in the bowl, I'm doing a double recipe because I find that that fits this tray perfectly. So I have 2 cups of baking soda and a half a cup of citric acid. Then I'm going to add the dish soap and essential oils. And as you're adding the liquids, you'll see it kind of start to fizz a little bit. That is okay. You just don't want it to fizz too much. Okay, you want the consistency to be kind of like wet sand. When you squish it, it kind of holds together a little bit. And this smells amazing. You can use any essential oils that you prefer as far as the scent. And now we're going to transfer it over into our mold here. And when you put it in, and you're going to really need to pack it down. You want it packed in tightly. So at the beginning, it might seem like you have too much, but this is all going to fit in once you pack it down. Okay, so here's the final product, and these have to sit overnight, and it'll come out like a hard cube, kind of like a dishwasher tab, but I'll have to show you those tomorrow.